Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. MBA CET exam is just round the corner, and now is the time that you buck up with the number of shortcuts that you remember. It is important that you remember a lot of shortcuts, only then you will be able to increase your number of attempts. In this video, we are going to cover a very important shortcut on inequalities. Inequalities is asked in logical reasoning section of the exam, and generally 5 to 6 questions are asked on it. So here we are going to understand the tips and tricks that can be used to solve the questions of inequalities, and it will definitely help you solve these questions in less than 1 minute, and make sure that you get complete 5 to 6 marks in this particular question. So let us get started with the topic. Those who understand the concept of inequalities will be able to grasp the shortcut well. Those who don't understand the concept of inequalities, they'll have to first go through the basics of inequalities and then watch this video. So the questions that are generally asked are, there are few statements given in this format, and these are the type of conclusions that are provided. On the basis of that, you have to take the decision. So there are 5 basic symbols. One is equal to, this is greater than, this is less than, this is greater than equal to, this is less than equal to. Okay. Now, there are 2, 3 rules that we need to follow. First, let us say A is greater than B is greater than C. Then A is greater than C and A is greater than B and B is greater than C. We know this. But now, whenever equal to sign comes in, a lot of confusion is created. Let us say P is greater than equal to Q is greater than equal to R is greater than S. So in this case, P is greater than equal to R. This is true. Q key. P is definitely greater than equal to Q. Q is definitely greater than equal to R. So P is definitely greater than equal to R. And P is greater than R. This is wrong. This is right. क्यों? क्योंकि इन दोनों के बीच में equal to वाला साइन छोटा नहीं है. There is equal to sign between P and R everywhere. ठीक है. And let us compare P greater than equal to S and P greater than S. Here P greater than S is correct. Here P greater than S is correct. And P greater than equal to S is wrong. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आप P and S के बीच में देखोगे, so it is greater than equal to and just greater than. So it is greater than equal to just greater than. यहाँ पे equal to वाला साइन छूट गया है. इक्वल टू वाला साइन छूट गया है, तो यहाँ पे हमारा सिर्फ ग्रेटर देन वाला सिंबल आएगा. ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू वाला सिंबल नहीं आएगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट रूल दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सेकंड रूल, the sign should not change its direction. So A is greater than B is greater than equal to C is less than D. C is less than D. So in this case, there is no relation between A and D and no relation between P and D. क्यों? क्योंकि साइन का डायरेक्शन उन दोनों के बीच में चेंज हो चुका है. साइन का डायरेक्शन उन दोनों के बीच में चेंज हो चुका है. ठीक है. तो हमको समझ में क्या आता है कि अगर मेरे को 2 एलिमेंट्स दे रखे हैं, लेट अस से x इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू y इज ग्रेटर देन z इज ग्रेटर देन a इज ग्रेटर लेस देन b, मैं इनके बीच में रिलेशन बना सकता हूँ. x टू a के बीच में मैं रिलेशन बना सकता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे साइन का डायरेक्शन चेंज हुआ ही नहीं है. सो आई कैन से दैट x इज ग्रेटर देन z, है ना, x इज ग्रेटर देन a, y is greater than a. I can make the relation because there is no change in direction of sign. But x and b में कोई relation नहीं हो सकता. y and b में कोई relation नहीं हो सकता. z and b में कोई relation नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि बीच में साइन ने डायरेक्शन चेंज कर दिया है. So these are the 2 rules that you have to follow. है ना? You will understand these 2 rules only if you understand the basics of inequalities. If you don't have the clear basics of inequalities, make sure that you first go through them and then watch this video. ठीक है, I am directly going to the advanced level type of questions or advanced rules over here. Basics I am expecting कि आपको पता होगा, नहीं तो आपको चेक करके आना. So the type of questions are, so these statements are followed by two conclusion marker answer. If only one follows, if only two follows, either one or two, neither one nor two, and both one and two. ठीक है. Now what we need to do, we always try to make one single statement. We always try to make one single statement. This is our third rule. Try to make a single statement. So first question. First question, P is equal to Q. Then Q less than R less than equal to S. Very nice. Now, P less than equal to R, P less than equal to R is wrong. Why? Because here the equal to sign is not present. Equal to का sign छूट चुका है. तो first conclusion does not follow. Second conclusion, Q is less than S. Correct. Q is less than, here there is less than equal to, but here there is just less than. There is equal to का sign छूट चुका है. So this conclusion is correct. So only conclusion 2 follows. Option 2 is your answer. It is that simple. Okay. Second question. Second question is A is less than B is equal to C. Now D is greater than C. See how I write it. D is greater than C. I have written it in that same manner. What I am trying to do, I am trying to make one single statement. Then D is less than equal to E. D is less than equal to E and E is less than F. है ना? Making one single statement may not be possible every time. But जहाँ कहीं पे भी possible है, make sure that you make one single statement. And then it becomes very easy to check the conclusions. Then what we have, B less than E. So B less than E. Yes, B is less than E and यहाँ पे equal to का sign छूट चुका है. चलेगा. A less than F. Yes, A is less than F. कहीं पे भी साइन का डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं हुआ है. And A is less than F. And multiple times हमारा equal to का साइन छूट चुका है. तो ये भी चलेगा. Both conclusions follow. Both conclusions follow. That is option 5. Then third question. X is equal to Y, less than equal to Z, greater than W, greater than equal to V. Okay. Now W is less than X. W and X no relation because sign has changed its direction. V and Z. V is less than Z. Yes. Z is greater than V, no? Means V is less than Z. This one holds true. Here equal to वाला sign भी छूट चुका है. So second conclusion follows option 2. Then fourth question I am solving it here. What we have K is less than equal to L is equal to M greater than equal to N. And then what we have POL. Na? So P greater than equal to O greater than equal to L. We have written it like this. Let us see how it goes because we were not able to make one single statement. Now they are saying P greater than N. P greater than N. For that, P and N should come in one statement. So P greater than equal to O, greater than equal to L, L is equal to M, M greater than equal to N. Now P greater than N, wrong, because P is greater than equal to N. P equal to N is the second conclusion. This is also wrong because P is greater than equal to N. But these will work in either or. Either P is greater than N or P is equal to N. Both these are correct. Both these are alternately correct. So either or option will come, which is option 3. Okay. Similarly, let us move ahead and see what other type of questions are asked. So what we have, P is less than R is greater than S. R is less than T is equal to U. And T is also equal to Q. So T is equal to Q. They have a conclusion on P less than U. So P less than U. P less than U means it will work like this. P less than U. Yes. What we try to do, we try to bring it in one single statement. And P less than U. Yes, P is less than U. साइन का डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं हुआ है, साइन का डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं हुआ है, एंड P is less than U. सही है. Second conclusion, Q is greater than R. Yes, Q is greater than R. If T is greater than R, then definitely Q is also greater than R. This conclusion also follows. So both the conclusion follows, which is option 5. Sixth question, we have bond rate B less than O is equal to R less than equal to N. Then we have R. What I have done, एक सिंगल स्टेटमेंट में बनाना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो मैंने सेम वेरिएबल एक के नीचे एक लिख दिया, R greater than A greater than equal to T equal to E. Okay, so they have a conclusion between E and O. So E is less than O. So definitely O is greater than E, and यहाँ पे equal to वाला साइन छूट गया है R and A के बीच में. So this conclusion follows. Then they have a conclusion between N less than equal to T. So what I'll do, we will just write it like this. R is less than equal to N. So R is less than equal to N. R is less than equal to N. So N is greater than T we are getting. N is greater than T we are getting. So this is definitely wrong. This conclusion does not follow. Only conclusion 1 follows, which is option 1. Next, seventh question. Seventh question is F is greater than A, greater than equal to T. Then B is equal to F. Okay, let me try to get it in one statement itself. B is equal to F. And S is less than equal to F. So S is less than equal to F means S is uh, B is also less than equal to S. And if F is less than equal to S, B is also less than equal to S. I have reversed it and I have tried to write it in the same statement. And then they are saying B is greater than M. B is greater than M. Now they want conclusion S and M ke beech mein. So we write it like this. So what we have, S equal to M. Wrong, because equal to sign यहाँ पे छूट चुका है. Then we have M less than S. M less than S is correct. M less than S is correct. Very nice. M less than S is correct. So that if S is greater than M, यहाँ पे equal to वाला sign छूट चुका है, तो M less than S is correct. So second one is correct, which is option 2. Okay. So I hope you have understood what we have done. And question number 8, 9, and 10 are your homework. You have to solve them and post your answers in the comment section. And then we will tell you whether it was right or wrong. Make sure that you do this homework, practice these type of questions with these 3 rules. These are the 3 rules that you have to follow. First is कि इक्वल टू का साइन छूटना नहीं चाहिए. सेकंड इज साइन का डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड थर्ड इज ट्राई टू मेक अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट वेर एवर पॉसिबल. इससे आपके क्वेश्चंस फास्ट सॉल्व हो गए. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, 9 एंड 10 इज योर होमवर्क, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना है. If you have any doubt, any query, if you want us to cover any different topic which is important for the exam, do let us know in the comment section. We'll make sure that we come up with a solution to that. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.